The International Space Station, ISS, orbits Earth at an altitude of approximately 400 kilometers, where it continuously circles the planet, providing a unique vantage point for astronauts who reside aboard. From this high vantage point, the crew aboard the ISS witnesses the majestic beauty of Earth, its vibrant blue oceans, swirling clouds, and the subtle curvature of the planet's surface. Yet, for all its breathtaking views, the ISS exists at the very frontier of human exploration. Out there, beyond the station's metal hull and the thin layer of atmosphere, is the cold and boundless expanse of space, a realm where mystery and danger coexist in equal measure. While the ISS itself is an incredible feat of human engineering, the stories from astronauts suggest there is far more to the universe than meets the eye. In fact, many have reported strange and inexplicable phenomena that defy conventional understanding, raising unsettling questions about what lies just beyond the horizon of our knowledge. One of the most talked about mysteries involves the sightings of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, observed near the ISS. These sightings have been reported by multiple astronauts, each describing the same eerie events. Objects that appear to be metallic or glowing, sometimes moving erratically, have been seen drifting outside the station. Unlike typical space debris or micrometeoroids, these objects don't follow predictable paths or behave like typical particles floating in space. Astronauts have reported that the way these objects move is far more deliberate, sometimes hovering in place, changing direction with precision, or darting across the sky at speeds that no known human-made vehicle can match. While many of these reports have been met with skepticism and dismissed by space agencies as optical illusions, reflections on the glass, or space debris, there are still many unanswered questions. The persistence of these sightings has led some to believe that we may be witnessing phenomena that are either of unknown origin, or perhaps even extraterrestrial in nature. Could it be that, in the vastness of space, there are other intelligent beings watching us, waiting for the right moment to reveal themselves? While UFO sightings may grab the most attention, there are also more subtle phenomena that raise even more chilling questions about the ISS's position in space. Some scientists and astronomers have started to propose that the ISS may be orbiting near a cosmic anomaly, possibly even a wormhole, a theoretical tunnel in space-time that could serve as a shortcut to distant parts of the universe, or even a doorway to another dimension. The concept of a wormhole, often explored in science fiction, has its roots in Einstein's theory of relativity. If such a phenomenon exists near the ISS, it could explain some of the strange magnetic fluctuations and unusual radio signals detected by the station's instruments over the years. There have been times when the ISS's sensitive equipment picks up unusual disturbances that cannot be easily explained by natural space phenomena, such as solar flares or cosmic rays. What if these disturbances were not random, but the result of a massive energy field, like a wormhole, that is located just beyond the station's orbit? The thought that a rift in space-time could be so close to our outpost in space is both exciting and terrifying. If the ISS is unknowingly orbiting near a cosmic doorway, what could be waiting on the other side? Could there be a hidden force, intelligence, or even an entire unknown dimension just beyond our reach? Astronauts themselves have also expressed a sense of unease when observing space from the ISS. The deep blackness of space, the eerie silence, and the endless expanse can leave a profound psychological effect on those who spend extended periods aboard the station. While astronauts are highly trained to handle the isolation and the mental strain of living in space, some have admitted to feeling a certain foreboding when looking out into the abyss. It is not just the overwhelming vastness or the physical distance from Earth that creates the sense of dread. It is something deeper, more inexplicable. Many astronauts have reported feeling an awareness, an almost primal instinct, that something unseen is present. There is a creeping feeling of being watched, as if space itself is more than just a void, but an active, sentient environment. This unsettling feeling is often described as a whispering sensation, a subtle but persistent awareness that something is observing from the deep reaches of the cosmos, waiting. While the experience could be attributed to the human mind's response to the extreme isolation of space, some believe it may be a reflection of the unexplainable events occurring around the ISS. What if these sensations are not just psychological effects of space travel, but a deeper connection to something that exists just beyond the limits of human understanding? Adding to the mystery are the reports of magnetic anomalies and disruptions in the ISS's electronic systems, often happening in conjunction with unexplained sightings or disturbances. While some of these anomalies have been attributed to the station's proximity to the Earth's magnetic field or solar radiation, others simply do not fit these explanations. For instance, certain magnetic fields detected around the ISS do not match anything that can be produced by known natural or human-made sources. Some scientists believe that these anomalies may be the result of something far more complex, possibly even linked to phenomena that are not fully understood. Could the ISS be floating just above a cosmic rift, a region of space where the usual rules of physics begin to break down? Or is there something even more bizarre occurring, perhaps a technological artifact or cosmic entity that exists just beyond our reach, subtly influencing the station's operations? Despite these strange occurrences, the ISS continues to serve its purpose, advancing human knowledge and pushing the boundaries of space exploration. However, the unexplained phenomena observed by astronauts and scientists aboard the ISS raise more questions than answers. As humans continue to explore the unknown reaches of space, we are faced with the uncomfortable reality that we may not be as alone as we once thought. The ISS, a symbol of human ingenuity and scientific progress, may be orbiting not just Earth, but the very edge of a profound mystery, one that challenges our understanding of space, time, and the universe itself. And just as the astronauts aboard the ISS look out into the vastness of space, we too are left staring into the unknown, wondering